Hey guys, what's going on? This is Alex again with another video for Affil Coin. So in this video I want to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to create your own Affil Coin wallet. So one of the most important things you can have for the wallet is a referral. At this stage in the game you guys need a referral to set up the Affil Coin wallet, and you can find the link in the YouTube videos in the description. Right here you can see that there is a link. I have already clicked on the link to save us some time and some loading. So going over here, this is the link. You just need to input your username. If I can press the keys right. Or Peach. Oh goodness, still missed it. Email address. Please make sure you use your own email address, as soon as you click create my wallet, it will send you an email with a link so that you can activate your wallet. So it is very important. Please do not use my email address. It will tell you that it has already been made. Your password should have an uppercase character and a lowercase character and digits. No special characters are required for these passwords, which is very, very nice. Alright, now that I've got my password in there confirmed, got my username and my email, all we need to do is click to make sure that we are not robots. I don't know anybody out there that's a robot. If you're a robot, please say hello. So there we go. We've verified that I'm not a robot, and all we need to do now is click on create my wallet. Oh, that username has been taken already. Probably because it's mine. So let me add a couple extra digits on there and we will be ready to go. Oh, that's right. Need to make sure we're not robots again. Robots, together say hi on 3, 2, 1. Okay, no robots out there. Alright, finally, clicking on the link to create my wallet. There we go. And up in the corner we can see link with activation has been sent to your email. So once you get the email, click on the link and you will be ready to go with your very own Affil Coin wallet. You'll come back to the website and you need to input your email address and not your username, and then we can log in and go from there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the notifications at the bottom. The little bell will give you those notifications. The subscribe button will make you a member of the channel. And please make sure, if you have any questions, please use the comments below to ask any questions that you might have. I am always here for you guys. If you have any questions about Affil Coin, I'm your go-to guy. So please, a quick reminder for everyone out there. You can see the current time and date, February 3rd, 12:30 at night. We are still fighting the coronavirus in Wuhan, China. So please make sure that you wear a face mask and wash your hands. Even if you haven't had any exposure with anybody from China, you have no idea who in your circle of friends has been there and got coughed on. Just let's please be safe. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share this video and let's get more users. Let's get more coins being made so that we can have a strong Affil Coin and that we can all benefit from this wonderful new technology, delegated proof of stake, using Tendermint plus Cosmos technology. Again, first in class and gold standard. You can't get better than that. You can't get better than Affil Coin. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video.